Hello guys, welcome back to one of the inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Asus VivoBook black screen problem. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Asus VivoBook here and you're getting that black screen, well, in this case there are going to be a few things that you can do. So first things first is if you already have your laptop here turned on, what you could do is you want to maybe refresh your GPU. Now, how do you do that? So you need to press the following buttons, which in this case is going to be Windows, Control, Shift B on your keyboard here. Now make sure when you're pressing these buttons here, you are pressing the actual internal keyboard that you're using. Do not use any external keyboards. Use the one that is on your laptop. Now in this case, press these four buttons together. And once you've done that, this should actually refresh your keyboard. Now you can press and hold this for a few seconds, but typically speaking, this should resolve your problem. But just in case this does not solve your issue, what you could do is you might want to do a soft reset. So this will not erase any data or files that you have right now or uninstall any files that is in your computer. But what you need to do is you want to make sure that you unplug everything. That includes any USB extensions here, so anything that is connected here. Now, also make sure that you have enough battery power in your laptop here, because in this case you need to also remove that. Now once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and press and hold the power button on your laptop. Now hold this for about like 10 seconds or even like 12 seconds, and from then on this will actually shut down. Now press the power button once, then another one to turn it on. Now once you've done that, this should actually solve your problem. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF the Inspo. Thank you for watching.